Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the fast startup mode is missing from power option in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. So assuming your hardware supports, it may not be visible in the entry list. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy the first command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. It basically just sort of reset our default power plans and hopefully appears once you restart your computer. You just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, if you're still having this problem, then you just need to go to cmd again. Make sure you run as administrator, and after that you just need to copy the second command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. The operation completed successfully. So if you get any messages like the system firmware does not support hibernation, which is certainly a possibility guys. So if you get any messages down here, you can't able to access the fast startup option guys. That's the reality. In my case, I can access it. Close it off here and go to search menu and type power option. Click on open it. Power options. Choose what the power button do, and I have this fast startup. Change settings that are currently unavailable. In my case, I having fast startup guys. In your case you don't have it, then you will probably get the message in cmd. We just copy and paste the second command. You will be receive the message, the system firmware does not support hibernation. This message you will get in the cmd guys. If you get this message, you can't able to access fast startup guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.